Okay, 59, they want us to solve and then represent it on a number line. Okay, so for A, I have 3 times 2k minus 1 is less than 9. I'll distribute 6k minus 3 is less than 9. I will add 3 to both sides. 6k is less than 12, and divide by 6, k is less than 2. So my number line, 0 to negative 2. Okay. Open circle, since it's less than, right? Less than and greater than is an open circle, and less than goes to the left. So there's my graph. Let's do B. Let me make some space. B, we have 2p over 5 less than or equal to 6. I'll multiply both sides by 5, so I get 2p is less than or equal to 30. Divide both sides by 2. P is less than or equal to 15. So here's my number line, 0, 15, there's negative 15. Less than or equal is a closed circle, and less than goes to the left. Okay, let's do C. Let me make some space. C, I have negative 2 plus 8n is greater than 2. Add 2 to both sides. I have 8n is greater than 4. Divide by 8, and I have n is greater than 1/2, right? 4/8. So here's my graph. 0, 1, negative 1. All right, 1/2. So let's make that negative 1 and negative 1/2. All right, greater than, so that's an open circle. And greater than is to the right, right? And there's my graph. And the last one, let me make space. D, I have 7t minus 4 is greater than 2t minus 4. I'll subtract 2t, so I have 5t minus 4 is greater than negative 4. I'll add 4 to both sides. 5t is greater than 0. And divide by 5, t is greater than 0. 0 over 5 is 0, right? So here's my number line, 0. Greater than is an open circle. Whoops, let me make that open circle nicer, right? It's an open circle, right? And then greater than is to the right. So there's my graph.